Hi, it's Karla from Creative Love Affair, and I'm here today with the Seven Gypsies YouTube channel, and I'm sharing this fun Stash Paque booklet. It's part of the Architectures collection, and this one is Create. So there's several different booklets available, and they have different items inside, and I'm going to show you this Create one. Has lots of really fun things to decorate any of your paper crafting, your mixed media, cards, scrapbooking. And one of the fun things that you can do with the Architectures products are use their packaging. So they always have fun things you can cut out directly from the packaging. And look, this is the inside cover. So you can see how beautiful this design is. This you could put on the inside of a notebook and you know, add some stickers or some stamps here or write in your name. That would be really beautiful, as well as you could cut this up and use it for different items. Now these stickers, there's always stickers included in the stash packs, and this one is really geared around creating. Now we've got write it down, make it beautiful, design, paint, mix well, express yourself, create. And then we've got all these sewing, crafts, quilting, knitting, and then these beautiful elements that actually look like vintage plates or trays that look metal, and you can stamp on them, you can write on them, you can embellish them. There's so many things you can do with these, so they are really beautiful. And then you can even use the background of these stickers that have a little grid design there. So these are really made so that you can get the most use out of these booklets as possible. Now here we've got some really fun stickers on the next page, and you can as well cut out even these little numbers and letters that are included above the stickers. Really pretty. And these can be used to add little dates, little notes, little journaling spots. If you're doing some scrapbooking, or you can layer them if you're doing some cards and mixed media. On the next page we have this fun paper that's double-sided. So this side has elements that you can cut out of it, or you could even frame this as one page. We've got some really neat color charts here, really beautiful, and the background is really beautiful as well with a really subtle text there. And then on this page, I love this, you could frame this, you could add pictures to this, or just even fussy cut her out and add her to your project. She's so cute. Then here we've got an alphabet sticker page with a nice font there, and you've got lots of different letters, extras of the letters that you use a lot, and numbers and punctuation as well. So those are really great, and on scrapbooking I really like adding different fonts. So if you have a title, one word might be in a larger font and one word might be in a smaller font, and this would be really perfect for that as well. And here we've got some really fun larger letter stickers. They have a really vintage look to them. They're very eclectic, and these are great paired together. You can use them for initials. Now the next page we have a cut apart sheet where you can add these beautiful letters to your project. They've got really nice blues and reds along with the blacks, or you can use the opposite side, which has a really cool design on it. So this could be great as a background, or you can cut out elements and add them. Here's another cut apart page. We've got all these really cool vintage pictures and elements that may have been used to advertise things in the past. A neat little paint palette. I really love this. It actually looks three-dimensional on there. So you can cut all those out, and then there is all the elements on the back as well that you can choose from. Birdcage card. We've got the little 7 Gypsies truck here. Some beautiful pens. And another one of those really neat metal folders there. And on the next page we have these really cool elements. I love this guy, the white rabbit, and lots of great sentiments that you can add to your cards, to your art. And this is pretty. You could even just frame this as is. Crafter's Market. That's gorgeous. That would be a lovely sign in a craft room. This is really cool. It's almost a fabric feel paper, and it is actually adhesive. So you can die cut out of this, and then you pull the adhesive backing off, and you've got a piece that is going to stick perfectly onto your project. You can cut out these flowers. These are gorgeous for spring and summer as well, and I really love that peach color. And then here on the last page you have more of that beautiful paint swirl paper, and that is on the inside cover of the back, which as well has lots of other things you could cut out of it. These are great for junk journals, for planners, any type of paper crafting. These are super fun to add to, and home decor. Hey friends, I'm back to show you how I've used the Architectures Stash Paque in the Create, and I've decided to do some planner stuff with the Stash Paque and to show you how you could use it. So this is a new little planner that I picked up. It's an undated one, so I could start at any time. And I started by cutting out this cute little Express Yourself cut apart. It's got the bunny. I put on the back a little sticker label and my initial, and took a little piece of one of the papers and just edged it with some ink and added it on, and I've got a little bookmark. I can tuck that in here. And then I took the plain tab for the months and I added one of the stickers. Then I've got some of the number stickers and I added my name. Here we've got one of these really cool, look like metal tray stickers. And then we've got the write it down sticker on top, and this is one of those flowers that were printed on the beautiful textured fabric-like adhesive page that's in the booklet. And this flower as well was cut out of that. I just fussy cut around it, and the adhesive is really nice. It sticks really well. And then on the inside of this page, I used this really cute piece with the girl writing on the chalkboard. It's so adorable. I used some die cuts to die cut half a circle here and used another one of the stickers there. Gives you a look at that. Then I used a die cut little square and cut out the "and" from the cut apart sheet, and it's a really nice weight cardstock, so it's nice and thick. And then this piece I cut out from the backing of the Architectures booklet, and I just glued in a paper clip, and I added some thin foam dots to give me a little clip here for my notebook. I've added a little planner spread here, just adding some papers that I cut out of the different pages. I've die cut some hearts and stars using some die cuts I had. This is fussy cut from the actual back of the Stash Paque booklet. And then we've got a little sticker here. So that just dressed up my monthly spread for April. And then for the weekly tab, we've got more of the fussy cut adhesive flower and a star that's die cut out of that same paper, and one of the cut apart pages, Life is All About Balance, and I just cut around that, did some corner edging, put some ink around the edges. And then inside, this is a part of the other side of the page of this one, and then I glued that in there. And then for my weekly spread, I have this week that just went by and added my date. I've got some of the cardstock cut here. I've used various dies that I had around. Some went with stamps, some were just dies, and I just used bits and pieces of the papers to die cut some pretty shapes. And then this is that beautiful fabric adhesive paper, and we've got a little Create that's cut out of one of the cut aparts, and a little sticker. So there's a look at how pretty you can just quickly dress up your planner using lots of elements from the Architectures booklet. So I hope you enjoyed, and be sure to go to Canvas CORP brand shop and check out the Architectures line, and we will link the Stash Paque there so you can have a look. Thanks so much for stopping by. Happy crafting!